Hola chicos! Today we talk about the present indicative in Spanish. We use the present indicative to identify or describe people, places, or objects, or to talk about routine, habits, or actions that happen in the near future.
Juan es mi primo. Es alegre y simpático. Se levanta todos los días a las 7:30. Los lunes juega al fútbol. Este sábado va al cine.
But Ignacio, how do I conjugate regular verbs in the present tense? Don't worry, I'll teach you how to do it. The first thing you have to do is to learn all the ad endings that you can see here on the screen. Once you know all of these ones, you're going to be able to conjugate all regular verbs that end with ad. For example, mirar. Miro, miras, mira, miramos, miráis, miran. And now, here is where the trick takes place. When we learn all the ad endings, the other ones are very simple. And I'm going to use colors to show you everything in a very clear way. As you can see, the ending for I, for yo, is always the same, always o. Now, in order to conjugate singular you, he, she, and they, all you have to do is to change a for e. As, es, a, e, an, en. If you want to conjugate nosotros, which means we, and vosotros, plural you have to follow a, e, I. Amos, hemos, imos, ais, eis, is. Following this, now you can conjugate any regular verb in the present tense. He opens. Él abre. I don't understand. No comprendo. They run. Ellos corren. We share. Nosotros compartimos. To finish the video, I'm going to leave 5 sentences that are missing conjugated verbs. If you know the answer, write it down in the comment section below and I will tell you if it's correct or wrong. ¡Hasta la próxima!